Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best marker set dual tip 80-pack art set, the HT7 dual tip acrylic paint markers. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or a seasoned artist, you'll want to stick around for the next few minutes to see why this set might just become your new creative essential. Let's start with what makes this kit truly exceptional: its impressive variety. This set includes a whopping 72 unique colors, giving you a stunning range of shades to bring any project to life. From subtle pastels to rich, vibrant hues, this set is designed to inspire imagination on any surface. Each marker in this 80-pack set features a dual tip design, a fine tip on one end and a flexible brush tip on the other. The fine tip gives you precision for detailed line work and outlining, while the brush tip delivers smooth, fluid strokes perfect for coloring, blending, and calligraphy. Whether you're working on tiny embellishments or large areas, switching between tips is as easy as flipping the pen. Now let's talk about application. These markers are filled with highly pigmented, water-based acrylic ink. You're getting opaque, quick-drying color that works beautifully on a wide variety of surfaces. We're talking stone, wood, canvas, ceramic, glass, metal, plastic, and of course, paper. They're especially great for rock painting and DIY crafts, where you need durable ink that pops and lasts. One of the standout features is that the ink is both waterproof and fade-resistant once dry, which is key for any artwork that's meant to last. Yet, it's non-toxic and odorless, making it safe for all ages to use, ideal for family craft nights, classrooms, or personal art therapy sessions. Let's not forget packaging. The markers come neatly arranged in a sturdy case that not only protects them during storage but also makes organization easy. Each pen is color-coded and labeled, so you can quickly grab the exact shade you need without wasting time digging through a mess of random pens. Now, about the flow of the ink. These markers use a pump action mechanism. Just shake, press the tip down, and the ink flows evenly. It's simple, mess-free, and consistent, making them super user-friendly even if you're just starting out with acrylic markers. This set isn't just about coloring, it's about versatility. You can create detailed calligraphy, bold poster lettering, intricate mandalas, or even upcycle everyday objects into colorful works of art. The ability to blend the acrylic ink while it's still wet also adds a layer of creative flexibility that's hard to find in standard paint pens. And here's a small but thoughtful touch. The caps snap securely to prevent drying out, and they're easy to remove without damaging the tips. You can tell a lot of attention went into the design and functionality of these markers. In short, the HT7 Dual Tip Acrylic Paint Markers 80-pack is a complete, high-quality art solution that balances affordability with professional-grade performance. It's a fantastic gift for creatives of all levels, and a must-have for anyone looking to add color, flair, and personality to their art projects. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your marker game and explore your creativity across surfaces, this set might just be what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay creative.